What if one AI model could run on a phone, laptop, and server at the same time? From 128,000 to 256,000 tokens, that is almost 10 times more memory than older models. Is this finally the step where AI becomes truly useful in daily life? What is Gemma 4? Gemma 4 is the latest open AI model family from Google DeepMind, built to be powerful, flexible, and easy to run on different devices. It is not limited to chat anymore, as it focuses on real tasks like coding, reasoning, and handling long data. The main goal is simple: improve intelligence without making the model too heavy. Instead of increasing size, the focus is on efficiency and smarter performance. This helps deliver better results while using fewer resources. Many AI tools today feel slow or forget details in long conversations. Gemma 4 is designed to solve that problem with better memory and stability. Earlier AI models mainly focused on size, where bigger meant better. But that also increased cost, power usage, and complexity, making them harder to use for normal users. Gemma 4 changes this direction by focusing on better reasoning, longer memory, and device compatibility. It is designed to work not just in big systems, but also on smaller devices like phones and laptops. Another important shift is toward real-world usage, especially with tools and automation. This makes it useful for developers, businesses, and even individual users. Instead of being just powerful, it is built to be practical and accessible. Gemma 4 comes in 4 different models, each designed for a specific level of performance and hardware. The E2B model is small and runs easily on phones and basic laptops, while still supporting text, image, and audio tasks. The E4B model offers better performance and is suitable for more advanced tasks like coding and multimodal usage. The 26BA4B model uses a mixture of experts approach, where only part of the model works at a time, saving resources while maintaining high performance. The 31B model is the most powerful, built for complex reasoning and heavy workloads on servers or high-end systems. This range allows users to choose based on their needs. One of the biggest upgrades in Gemma 4 is its context length, which defines how much information it can remember at once. Smaller models support up to 128,000 tokens, while larger ones go up to 256,000 tokens. This allows the model to process very large inputs like long documents, code bases, or reports in a single go. Instead of forgetting earlier parts of a conversation, it can maintain context across long interactions. This improves accuracy and reduces repeated explanations. For tasks like research, coding, or document analysis, this feature becomes extremely useful. It brings a more natural and continuous experience while working with AI. Gemma 4 supports multiple input types, making it a multimodal model. It can handle text, images, and audio, and in some cases even video. This allows users to combine different types of data in one workflow without switching tools. For example, an image can be uploaded and explained, or audio can be converted into text and analyzed. This opens up use cases like voice assistance, image understanding, and content creation. Instead of using separate tools for each task, everything can be done in one place. This makes the overall experience smoother and more efficient. Gemma 4 improves reasoning and coding by solving problems step by step, generating cleaner code, and handling complex instructions more clearly. It can debug, plan, and break down tasks, making it reliable for both developers and learners. Another major upgrade is agent-based workflows, where it can use tools and APIs to complete tasks instead of just giving answers. It can search, process data, and deliver results automatically. This makes it more like a working assistant rather than just a chatbot. Gemma 4 is designed to run directly on devices like Android phones, laptops, and browsers. This reduces dependency on cloud systems and improves speed. Local execution means faster responses and better control over data. It also improves privacy, since sensitive information does not need to be sent online. This is a major step for users who prefer secure and offline solutions. Running AI on device also makes it more accessible in areas with limited internet access. This approach makes AI more practical for everyday use. The model is closely integrated with tools used by developers, especially in the Android ecosystem. It works with Android Studio, MLKit Gen AI, and AI Edge tools, making it easier to build AI-powered applications. Developers can create features like smart assistants, automation tools, and real-time processing apps. The ability to run models locally also helps in testing and deployment. This reduces complexity and speeds up development. With these integrations, building AI applications becomes more straightforward and efficient. Even though Gemma 4 supports local usage, it is also built for cloud environments. Larger models, like 26B and 31B, can run on servers for heavy workloads. This is useful for tasks that require high processing power, such as large-scale data analysis or complex reasoning systems. The flexibility to switch between local and cloud environments is a key advantage. It allows the same model family to be used across different setups. This reduces the need for multiple tools and simplifies workflows. The Apache 2.0 license makes Gemma 4 fully open, allowing free use, modification, and commercial deployment without restrictions. It supports 140+ languages, making it useful for global communication, translation, and content creation. Different versions like E2B, E4B, 26B, and 31B are designed for everything from mobile apps to advanced enterprise tasks. This flexibility helps users choose the right model while keeping performance efficient and scalable. Gemma 4 shows strong improvements in areas like long context understanding, reasoning, and data retrieval. It performs better when handling large inputs and complex instructions. This reduces errors and improves the quality of outputs. The model is able to maintain consistency across long tasks. This is especially useful in coding, research, and document analysis. Overall, it delivers more reliable and accurate results compared to earlier versions. The improvements in Gemma 4 come from changes in its internal design. It uses a hybrid attention system that helps manage long data efficiently. Memory handling is improved to support large context sizes without slowing down performance. The model also uses parameters more effectively, which reduces resource usage. These upgrades make the model faster and more accurate. Even with strong performance, it remains efficient and practical for different environments. Getting started with Gemma 4 is simple because it supports multiple platforms. It can be used on cloud services, local tools, Android devices, and GPU setups. This flexibility makes it suitable for both beginners and professionals. Users can experiment with different versions based on their hardware. The availability across platforms reduces setup complexity. This makes it easier to explore and build applications using the model. Gemma 4 represents a shift in how AI models are designed and used. Instead of focusing only on size, it focuses on efficiency, flexibility, and real-world usability. It supports multiple devices, handles different data types, and performs complex tasks. The ability to run locally and work as an agent makes it more practical. It is built to support modern AI applications across industries. This makes it a strong step forward in AI development. If AI can run on a phone, understand images, process audio, and complete tasks on its own, what comes next? Gemma 4 is not just about improvement. It is about making AI more practical, accessible, and powerful for everyday use. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.